races off to an emergency call faster than Hawkeye Pierce. Dr. Laird pilots his own chopper high over Phoenix and makes daily rounds at 10 city hospitals, 5 times more than most ground-bound physicians. Why Colonel Sherman Potter himself would approve of the good doctor's 700-mile-a-week match-type travels, and little wonder. This former Marine surgeon hit upon the helicopter medevac notion from his days at the front in Vietnam.
I saw the effectiveness of the helicopter transport and bringing the wounded men into us in a timely fashion and saving many of them. And I felt that it could be used in the fashion in which we use it in civilian life. And 180 degrees.
Because a surgeon and a qualified pilot is a novelty in the field, the copter doctor gets to rub shoulders with those who have walked the very corridors of power. Senator